Today, we will show you on how we made this beach themed table. First, we started on boards so that we can know how the flow of the waves will go. So I suggest, if you're making one on your own, do first some themed boards before commencing on a bigger project. Here, we prepared the different pigments first prior to mixing our resin. After mixing our resin, we then poured all of it into each cup. In mixing pigments, make sure that you dissolve it completely as not to leave some comets on the piece. For this beach themed table, we used Aztec gold as our sand area. You can also use silica sand for the beach so that it will become a mixed media. So it's up to your preference. So the colors we used here are magic blue, luster blue, and peacock green. Also, we added some black pearl to the magic blue for the deeper parts of the beach. We try and keep it separate. All and each of the colors, we poured it one by one. We didn't mix the colors just yet. We spread each color carefully as not to touch each other. We started blending. Keep the area tight. We don't want to spread the light blue to the dark blue just yet, keeping it tight. Now you can add the different aspects of your ocean. Each part of the ocean, we chose a different design or a different method on how to give it more texture. In some, we used air. For some, we used fingers. Then for the beach, I'll show you that we used the brush. You can see here the different texture on each of the part. Here I used a brush for texture to create and mimic sand. The fine bristles of each brush adds more effect to the sand. Here is a short time lapse on the whole process. We added the time so that you can see how long it took for us on starting the design until the finishing. First part is done. Another important step. After 20 or 30 minutes, we remove the tape for it to flow down and create a beautiful siding. Don't worry if you don't perfect this as of yet, as you can still retouch it. For us, we added more metallic pigments or metallic coating for the bare areas. But it looks great here. Now, after curing for overnight, we'll start to add our waves. So this is the second layer. We first poured a thin, clear coat just for the waves to flow better. You can see we poured a clear coat. Doesn't matter if it's thin, we just want to break the surface tension. When we are creating the waves, it will be easier to push. Okay, we are ready for the waves. Here we used self-leveling white, as the white is a thicker color or a more denser color. I placed a single line on the beach side. Then here, I'm spreading it with air. You can use a heat gun, a blower, or whatever you like. It is also important for the attachment. You can see here we used a slim nozzle to push the resin. You can also use a flat nozzle. Just make sure that your heat gun has a strong enough fan so that it can spread it easier. Here I'm adding waves slash clouds. We are nearly done for our wave layer. After this, we added another clear coat, then we buffed it down until 2000 grit, then polished it using car polish. If you want to see our other videos, especially on finishing, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube page, and also like and follow us on Facebook. This is a time-lapse of our day 2. This is our wave layer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So again, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell button so you will be the first to watch our videos. Thank you!